Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use timer on TikTok. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Did you know that TikTok allows you to record videos using a countdown timer? With this feature, you can tell the application to record for a set amount of time after you press the capture button and after a 3-second countdown so that you can prepare. When the timer is finished, the app will stop recording without requiring you to press another button. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just start to open your camera on TikTok by tap on the plus icon on here. And now you can choose the ratio. Now you can tap on the like an arrow icon in here. You can just tap on that and you can see there is an option timer. You can just tap on that. Here you can choose timer from 3 seconds to 10 seconds. I will choose 3 seconds. Now you can tap on start countdown. And after 3 seconds, TikTok will automatically record your video and it will stop automatically after 50 seconds. Now you can just add and it will turn out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to use timer on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.